was the open goal.
Alright, we're here
And
with
then
Coach
he put it
Nick
2-1 up in the
Eaden
16th
from Mount
minute.
Pleasant getting a
Trevante
good win
Stewart
today, 4
in the
goals to 1
76th
though.
and
We had a few
86th
players
minutes,
out. What is
completing
your
the score
assessment of the
for
game
Mount Pleasant.
today, Coach?
It's obviously a really good result. Performance-wise, we've probably played better and lost games, you know, or not got 3 points from them. But I just felt today we went from a real strong defensive, solid base, you know, and then you know, we managed to get a couple of late goals to sort of make it look a lot better.
We also noticed that you would have deployed a back three today, you know, 3 in the back, and that kind of gave you some solidity to keep your opponent and create a lot of opportunities. Though they got the goal.
Well, as I said, you know, we looked as if we'd got a real solid defensive base. You know, we weren't conceding many chances. You know, the 3 lads plus the 2 wing backs have defended well. You know, I said to them, I don't mind if it drops into a back 5 at times, but you know, obviously we've got Liddell back who brings his experience as well, so that helped.
And what is the plan going into? You have a big game coming up on Monday against Arnett Gardens. They are just, I think you have gone closer to them by this victory. I mean, what is the plan going? Because you're probably going to be losing Daniel Green as well as part of the people to national duty. What is the plan going?
I'm not exactly sure who I've got. Yeah, it's possible. I'm not sure if Zimmernez and Topi are back, and then we lose them, all 3 of them, for the game after. I'm not sure what the exact date is. You know, but obviously if you lose Reggie, we'll have to get around it, you know. The players in the squad will have to step up.
Yeah, and was it a plan to play on the counter, because we realised that in the second half 2 of the goals were scored on the counter attack? I just outnumber your opponent on the counter.
I just think that was you know, the state of the game. You know, obviously Tivoli were pushing to get the equaliser. You know, it happens a lot, but you know, we always say when we attack at pace and in numbers.
Coach, congratulations again. I've been doing well, getting some positive results, heading into the playoffs, or probably can still get to that automatic semi-final spot. All the best going ahead. Looking forward to your game on Monday against Arnett Gardens.
Yeah, man. Thanks much.